Hi, my name is Kim Henderson and welcome to my Web 2.0 Tools and Mobile App Demonstration for EDU 580. The three tools I chose to feature in the next few minutes are ThingLink, Google Classroom, and TMAP Mobile. These are tools that I currently use as an educator and a coach. ThingLink is a digital tool that allows images to become interactive. It promotes 21st century learning, is very engaging, interactive, and supports inquiry-based learning. This tool is more suitable for the secondary level since some of the manipulative skills needed can be advanced. ThingLink for Education is a tool that allows students to create interactive images by tagging information like video, sound bites, and other images. Go to ThingLink for Education on the web and register for an account. While there is a free version for teachers, many of the custom buttons are disabled and there is a limit to the amount of interactive images you can create. The individual cost for educators is $35 a year to have full access to all of the custom tool buttons. This could be seen as a disadvantage for some teachers. Some of the advantages of ThingLink for Education are the toolbar and menu buttons are easy to find and use. The program allows for creation, collaboration, supports differentiation, and can enhance a lesson presentation. I will show you how this works in the next few frames. As you can see, the toolbars are easily visible. The Explore button will let you see other ThingLink creations from various ThingLink users. Students can create an image and allow or ask for collaboration as their interactive image will be visible by others in the class. Creating a ThingLink is pretty simple. Just click the Create tab, upload an image, and start adding and editing tags. You or your students can tag or add just about anything that has a web link, and you can change the look of the tags within the selection box. Some of the tagged links will show within the image, while some will take you to another site. When finished creating an interactive image, click Save and the image will be stored in your Images tab, as shown here. You can set up groups and/or set up channels to host certain images. Students can create an account with or without an email, and an invite code will be generated. You can monitor student progress once they have joined and respond with feedback or reply to any responses they may offer. Students can showcase their knowledge, make comparisons within the content, collaborate with other students and the teacher. I included a ThingLink lesson that involves comparing two images of the Boston Massacre, which includes built-in questions and hopefully incites more questions, supporting inquiry-based learning. Students can view it as a slideshow. I included a set of questions and a tag as part of the assignment, which can be answered on a separate document or as a comment. When a student replies or makes a comment below an image, a notification memo will appear here. Students can evaluate content by taking a ThingLink image and editing or remixing it. The Remix tool is a benefit for differentiated learning, especially for Tier 2 and 3 students who are not as skilled at creating or may not be able to create a product immediately. Students of all levels can collaborate with other students by offering suggestions on a remix. High-level learners can be challenged with designing detailed, deeper concept-related ThingLink images like this one. ThingLink supports different learning styles and levels, and I will infuse it into lessons several times a semester. It is said that a picture is worth 1,000 words. With ThingLink, a picture is worth 1,000 questions and interactions. The second tool to show you is Google Classroom. More school districts are making Google their primary digital account source, and the apps are free for education. Google Classroom is one of those applications and is a simple digital host for lessons focused on student-centered learning. Google Classroom can be accessed through your Google Apps tab. The menu and tool buttons are easily accessible and there are only a few, keeping tasks simple. With a couple of clicks, you are now in your classroom. Some advantages of Google Classroom are the simplicity of lesson creation. The tool fosters student communication and feedback, and it supports formative assessments within lesson structures. One challenge with Google Classroom is the organizational structure can get lengthy unless you delete assignments regularly. Setting up a Google Classroom is fairly easy. With a few clicks, you can set one up and invite students with a code initiated by Google, which saves time as opposed to adding each student to a classroom. Creating assignments is almost effortless. I found an article in dogonews.com that I wanted to create an interactive lesson from and linked it to my classroom as an assignment. Once students are linked to the classroom, they can complete the assignments and mark them as done. Teachers can track their progress and grade responses upon completion. Here's an example of what that looks like. Here you will notice the student replies and that the assignment has been scored. One way to facilitate student-centered learning is differentiation. One way to do that would be to set up different classrooms depending on learning styles or levels and customizing lessons to accommodate those levels. Many types of lessons and activities can be used through the Google Classroom format. The final tool I will demonstrate is TMAP Mobile. It is a mobile communication tool that can be private or public and used for coaches, players, parents, coordinators, and administrators. This is an app that I used this year and found it to be a great tool to organize and maintain immediate communication when necessary. It also aids administrators in keeping them in the loop on last-minute changes to schedules and events. Some of the advantages are real-time announcements. All information pertaining to the team or club can be stored in one location and allows for minimal two-way communication between participants and coaches. Unlike social media, the communication is directed only for that sport or activity. Some disadvantages to this app are that it shuts down periodically and all participants may not have a device to access the app. Creating a new team is simple. Just click the Create tab and follow the series of prompts. Once you've created a team, the team administrator can access and make changes through the mobile app or the web-based program. You can select what buttons will be activated and shown on the device. Schedules and news events can be added at any time through the mobile device or via the website. As you can see, the menu buttons are easily accessible and the format for adding an event or schedule is also easy to follow. Simply click New to add a new event and follow the flow. Participants can reply to events to RSVP if needed. The process is similar when adding other information. This concludes my EDU 580 Web 2.0 Tools and Mobile App demonstration video, and I hope I have offered some information you can use in your classroom or as an administrator.